Welcome to Barbecue House.
Hi,
How many are in your party?
there's 4 of us.
Great, right this way, please. Here are your menus.
Thanks.
Can I start you off with a drink?
We'll have 4 iced teas, please.
I'll be right back with those. Have you decided on your order?
Yes, we'd like to start with an order of the loaded fries for the table.
Sure thing.
Then we'll each have a barbecue platter.
Sure thing. Would you like any particular meats on your platters?
I'll have the brisket. My friend will have the ribs and the other 2 will have the chicken roast.
I have it. And how would you like your sides?
We'll have coleslaw and baked beans with that, please.
Great shows. Your food will be out soon. Enjoy. How was everything today?
It was fantastic, thank you.
Glad to hear it. Whenever you're ready, I'll bring you the check.
Sure, here you go. Keep the change.
Have a great day. Thank you very much.
You too, bye.
Hi there, your pastries look amazing.
Thank you. Is there anything you're interested in?
I'm looking for something for a special occasion.
Well, our fruit tarts are always a best choice for special events. They're made with fresh seasonal fruit and a delicate pastry crust.
That sounds perfect. I'll take one of those, please.
Great choice. Would you like anything else? Maybe some of our gourmet cookies or bread.
I think I'll grab a few of those chocolate chunk cookies too.
Excellent. I will pack your order. Something to drink while you wait.
Just a bottle of sparkling water, please.
Coming right up. Your total comes to $350.
Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy your treats, and have a wonderful day.
You too. Thanks again.
Welcome to Golden Dragon.
Hi.
How many are you?
There are 3 of us.
Excellent. Right this way, please. Here are your menus.
Thank you.
Can I bring you some drinks before meal?
3 glasses of water, please.
Sure thing. I'll be right back with those. What would you like to order?
We'd like an order of spring rolls. Then we'll have the kung pao chicken, sweet and sour pork, and beef with broccoli.
How would you like your beef cooked?
Medium, please.
Great choice. Your food will be out soon. Enjoy. How was everything today?
It was delicious, thank you.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
No, thank you. Just the bill, please.
Of course. Your total comes to $550.
Here you go. Keep the change.
We hope to see you again soon. Have a wonderful day.
You too, bye.
Welcome to Cappuccino Haven.
Hi.
How many are in your party?
Just me today.
Great! Would you like a table or would you prefer to sit at the bar?
I'll take a table by the window, please.
Absolutely. Right this way. Here's your menu.
Thank you.
Can I start you off with a cappuccino or any other drink?
I'll have a cappuccino, please, and a slice of chocolate cake.
Your cappuccino will be out shortly. Enjoy the view while you wait. Here's your cappuccino and your slice of chocolate cake.
Thank you. Actually, can I also add a tiramisu to my order?
Of course, I'll bring that out for you as well. Here's your tiramisu. Would you like anything else?
No, thank you. Just the check, please.
Of course, your total comes to $750.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. We hope you enjoyed your visit. Have a lovely day.
You too. Thank you.